Look, let's be real. If you're still relying on a tape measure for all your work, it's like trying to build furniture with a hammer and chisel. Over the past year, I've put dozens of laser measurers to the test, and I'm here to help you avoid dropping cash on the wrong one.
I've tested dozens
Stick with
of
me,
laser measuring
because the
devices
number
over
2
past
pick on
year,
this list
and
has
I'm
a
about to
feature
save
you
you
probably
from making
didn't
some
know
seriously
existed.
expensive mistakes.
And our top choice,
Stick around because number 2
it can
on this
measure
list
an
has a
entire
feature that'll
football
blow your
field
mind,
with
and our
jaw-dropping
top pick.
precision.
Well, let's just say it
Plus,
can measure the length of a
if
football
anything
field
catches
with
your
scary
eye,
accuracy.
I've
And if you
included
see
fresh
one you
links in
love,
the description
I've
with the
dropped
latest deals
updated
and
links with
prices
the best pricing in the description below.
Our top recommendation is the Leica Disto E7500i, a true powerhouse among laser distance meters. This isn't your average measurer. It's a precision engineering tool that fits right in your hand. Boasting a staggering 1,640-foot range and pinpoint accuracy down to 1/32 of an inch, it can handle measurements across entire fields with clockwork-like consistency. What really sets the E7500i apart is its ability to excel in environments where other tools struggle. Thanks to Leica's advanced point recognition tech, it can differentiate your intended target from obstacles like wire fencing, plants, or precipitation. Its 4x zoom digital viewfinder with crosshairs allows you to aim precisely at long range, and the intelligent base shifts automatically based on your measurement edge. Every function you could need is included: area, volume, angled measurements, stakeout features for layout tasks, and even a timer mode for when you need both hands free. The device is rated IP65, meaning it's built to withstand dust and water exposure that would disable most other electronics. Now let's address the big question: cost. The E7500i is priced from $800 to $1,200, clearly placing it in the realm of professional gear. This isn't a gadget for casual weekend use, but for architects, contractors, surveyors, or anyone who demands accuracy in the harshest of conditions. It earns every dollar. With an outstanding battery capacity delivering up to 10,000 measurements, the long-term savings in time and mistakes make the investment worth it. If you're in the market for top-tier measuring performance and can't afford compromise, the E7500i stands alone at the top. Coming in at number 2, we've got the Bosch GLM 165 series, and truthfully, this could be the most versatile laser measure for the average user. Whether you opt for the 27C with its full-color display or the 25G featuring a more traditional screen, you'll still get an impressive 540-foot range paired with remarkable precision. We're talking accuracy within 1/16 of an inch every time. But what truly gives this Bosch an edge is its enhanced visibility tech. The highlight here is the green laser beam, which is up to 4 times easier to see than the usual red lasers, especially in outdoor settings or bright environments. If you've ever had trouble spotting your laser dot under strong sunlight, this makes a world of difference. The 27C adds an eye-catching color display that not only looks great, but also simplifies navigating functions compared to the standard monochrome screens. It's packed with all the advanced features you'd expect: area and volume calculations, continuous measuring, min-max tracking, and indirect measuring with several Pythagorean modes. The app integration is seamless too, thanks to the Measuron platform, which streamlines saving and sharing your measurements. Now, the pricing is where it gets even more appealing. Expect to pay between $180 and $250, depending on the model and seller, which is an excellent deal considering the capabilities and performance. Durability is top-notch, with a rugged IP54 rated build, and the battery delivers up to 25,000 measurements on a single charge. Whether you're doing quick home projects or tackling intricate job site layouts, this Bosch can handle it all. Number 3 on our list is the Bosch GLM 50C, and this is where things really start to get exciting thanks to its smart connectivity features. Bosch took their dependable GLM 50 model and gave it a serious upgrade with Bluetooth integration, and not the flaky kind you sometimes see. With a 165-foot measuring range and precision down to 1/16 of an inch, it hits all the technical marks while delivering modern tools that can actually make your workflow smoother. The standout feature here is the Bosch Measuron APE, which essentially turns your smartphone into a powerful measurement hub. You can draw floor plans, snap photos, and tag them with dimensions, and sort everything by room or project. It might sound like a novelty, but once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed with random notepads and misplaced scraps of paper. The app can also handle paint and flooring estimates, and it can even generate simple CAD files that you can send to clients or vendors directly. On the hardware side, the laser has a sharp color display that shows readings clearly, along with all the expected functions like area, volume, and indirect measuring. Priced between $120 and $160, the GLM50C lands comfortably in that mid-tier zone where you're getting real professional features without paying premium prices. True to Bosch's reputation, it's built tough, durable enough for regular use without constant babying. Battery life is solid too, with up to 25,000 readings from just 2 AAA batteries, and the Bluetooth connection is fast and reliable. If you're already using your phone for project management and keeping track of site info, the GLM50C is a seriously smart upgrade. Coming in. At number 4, we're looking at the Leica Disto D2, a compact laser measure that proves Swiss engineering can fit in your pocket. Don't let its small form fool you. This tool delivers high-end precision, with accuracy down to 1/16 of an inch and a range that stretches up to 330 feet. What's remarkable is how Leica fit that level of performance into something that's not much larger than your phone and lighter than your morning cup of coffee. The D2 excels in confined areas, or when you need something light enough to forget you're carrying it. Its interface is straightforward and user-friendly, featuring a backlit screen that stays readable in any kind of lighting. It covers all the must-have functions: distance, area, volume, and even indirect height calculations using the Pythagorean method, perfect for those times when direct measurement just isn't possible. The device feels well-made and solid, exactly what you'd expect from a brand like Leica, and it's protected with an IP54 rating to guard against dust and water. Where the D2 stands out is in its pricing, usually between $150 and $200. That puts it in the upper range, but not so high that it requires budget approvals. It's a smart choice for contractors moving from site to site, or anyone who wants portability with pro-level precision. Battery life is a standout too, up to 10,000 measurements per set, using standard 8AA batteries. For anyone who needs a laser measure that's easy to carry and delivers reliable, professional results, the D2 is a solid contender. Coming in at number 5, we've got the DeWalt DW03050. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast. If you've got a habit of dropping your tools more than you care to admit, this one's going to be your go-to. DeWalt packed this laser measure in their signature tough-as-nails yellow and black casing, and it's built to take a beating. Seriously, it's made to survive the job site chaos. The DW03050 offers a reliable 165-foot measuring range, making it a great fit for home projects and light commercial work alike. In terms of accuracy, it hits the mark at plus 1/16 of an inch, which is solid for most tasks. What I especially appreciate about this DeWalt model is just how straightforward it is. There's no need to mess around with apps or dig through clunky menu options. It's a simple point-and-click operation. Just aim, press, and read your result. The backlit screen is clear and easily readable, even under bright sunlight, which isn't something every laser tool can claim. It handles the basics like area and volume calculations, along with continuous measuring. Plus, it stores your last 20 readings, more than enough for most projects. The battery life is impressive too, delivering about 5,000 measurements per set of standard AA batteries, so you're not constantly hunting for a recharge. Priced between $80 and $100 depending on where you pick it up, the DW03050 sits in that perfect middle ground, affordable for DIYers, yet dependable enough for professionals. No, it's not loaded with all the high-end features you'll find in more expensive models. But that's the point. Sometimes you just want a tool that works every time without hassle. If you're just getting started with laser measuring or need something rugged that can take a few knocks, this DeWalt is a budget-friendly workhorse that delivers.